An important listing when it comes to installing PVC-coated conduit systems is UL1203, which is the safety standard for safety explosion-proof and dust ignition-proof electrical equipment for use in hazardous or classified areas. This listing is available on conduit unions, GUA series outlet boxes, sealing fittings, and EC series couplings. One way to visually verify if a product is UL1203 listed is whether or not a metal tag is permanently attached, displaying manufacturer information, product information, electrical ratings, area classification, and UL information. In addition, all sealing fittings from Rob Roy Industries are equipped with the patented P5SA feature, which allows for visual verification of plug engagement. Special tooling was designed to create a beveled edge during the coating process. This gives additional assurance to both installers and inspectors that the urethane-coated plugs are correctly engaged the first time every time by means of visual confirmation. When the plug is properly engaged, it will not protrude beyond the beveled edge of the PVC around the plug, validating that there are 5 full threads of engagement, which is critical for safe installation and a proper flame path. Another useful feature that can be found on all product labels is the enhanced UL certification mark. This feature provides streamlined access to the UL Smart Marks hub, which provides important compliance data, product information, and proper installation instructions via smart devices.